Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of activating MUBI on your smart TV so you can enjoy a fantastic selection of indie films from the comfort of your living room. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Install the MUBI app. First, turn on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store on your device. This could be the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or any other app marketplace depending on your TV model. Search for MUBI in the search bar. Once you find the app, click Install or Download to begin the installation. Step 2. Launch the MUBI app. After the installation is complete, locate the MUBI app on your smart TV's home screen and open it. You will see a welcome screen prompting you to log in or sign up. Step 3. Create a MUBI account if needed. If you do not already have a MUBI account, you will need to create one. You can do this directly on your TV, or you may find it easier to create an account on a computer or mobile device. Go to the MUBI website, enter your details, and follow the prompts to sign up for an account. Step 4. Log into your MUBI account. Once you have an account, return to the MUBI app on your smart TV. Click on Log In and enter your email address and password. If you created your account on another device, make sure to input the same credentials. Step 5. Activation code, if required. Some smart TVs will require you to enter an activation code. If prompted, you will see a unique code displayed on your TV screen. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to mubi.com, activate. Enter the activation code in the appropriate field and click Activate. Step 6. Start streaming. Once you have successfully logged in or activated your account, you're all set. Browse through MUBI's extensive library of indie films and choose your first movie to watch. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Don't forget to check the app regularly for new films added daily and special curated selections. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on streaming services and indie films.